Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of enabling your microphone in Google Chrome. Let's dive right in. To use your microphone in Google Chrome, you'll need to ensure that it's properly enabled. Start by clicking on the three dots at the top right of Google Chrome. Then select Settings from the bottom of the menu. Next, navigate to the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and click on Site Settings. Next, navigate to Permissions and locate the microphone option. Here you can select the microphone you prefer to use. For most users, the default microphone option works fine. Then, scroll down to Default Behavior and ensure that sites can ask to use your microphone is enabled. This setting allows websites to request permission to access your microphone, and you'll receive a pop-up notification in the top left corner when this happens. After setting the default behavior, you can also manage individual site permissions. To do this, simply visit any website and click on the Site Information button located to the left of the address bar. Then, select Site Settings. This will bring up site-specific settings, including microphone permissions. You can adjust these settings for each site as needed. For example, if the microphone permission is currently set to block, you can change it to Allow if you want to enable microphone access for that particular site. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.